Hi guys, I just wanted to come on really quick and show you this mini album that I made. It is for another YouTuber. Her name is Sophia, but her channel name is My Great Challenge. She's not a crafting channel, but I watch her all the time, and she basically just does a bunch of cleaning videos and like organization videos. She does post occasionally like makeup videos and stuff, but I love her channel. I've been watching her for like maybe 3 years now, and like not that her videos pertain to my life like specifically, because like I'm kind of young, like I don't own my own house or anything like that, but I really do enjoy watching her videos. I think they're really just fun, and some of them are pretty like not educational in like a comment or like a normal education sense, but like I learn a lot from them about like, you know, just different systems and stuff like that. So I just wanted to make this for her. I thought it would be kind of fun. And this mini album's theme is like a French vacation, because I think it was 2 summers ago she and her family traveled to France just for because she's actually from France. So they traveled back to her home, and they just traveled on France with her or I think it's her mom, I think. But yes, I just made this for her so that she could scrapbook kind of her trip, and I just want to show you really quick. So this is the front cover. I used, let me get the paper pads really quick. For the paper pads, I used a bunch of different ones. All of them are Hot Buy paper pads because that's basically all I buy, but there was this one from Michael's, and that's the name of it. I used this one also, just a few pages out of this one because I wanted the gold. And then I also used this like French one. So these were really great. They actually went pretty well together. And I did use a couple other scraps from my scrap drawers, but for the most part I used paper from there. So, but this is the front cover. This is from the Paris paper. It's just a cut apart. Oh, and then I also have a book themed paper pad. I don't have it with me. It's not really important. But I cut out a bunch of these postcards from there too. So this is the front, just decorated cute. And then on the front page, I left everything kind of blank because the personalization is going to come from her and her pictures and stuff that she decides to put in here and journaling. So everything's pretty like plain. But in here I just have some extra tags in case she wants to stick them in anywhere and do some more journaling that's there's not enough space for. And then each page is set up to hold one 4x6 paper. And then on the inside of the pages there is this like file folder pull-out thing. So I'm just going to quickly flip through the pages, and then I'll show you each file folder. And all of the pages, like I said, they're just mats for 4x6 pictures with a 1/8 inch border, and then there's some room for journaling or just if she wanted to add a tag into there or whatever. And yeah, so that's just this. And then this page, I ran out of mats, so I just kind of, this one she could put a picture on over top of these, and then this one's just to look pretty. Or this would be a great place to put those tags, but whatever she wants to do, it's up to her. And so that's all the pages. Oh, and then in the back here I do have another pocket, and in it I included another like journaling spot. I included a note for her just in case she was kind of confused what to do, and then some more postcards that she can also journal on. So I've got that there, and then I'm going to quickly show you, well, here, I'll show you the back really quick too. The back is plain. I just wrote "Handmade with Love for Sophia" from Mimi Lee on there, just so she remembers who it's for, or not for, who it's from. And then I'll show you all the file folders, and all of them are double-sided. I did some more embellishing on these because they don't need to hold 4x6 pictures. There wasn't enough room to do that, so these are just for journaling what's on these pages. So the journaling you pull out, and it's on the inside. There's that one. This is a wooden like chair I got from Michael's on sale, and I just put that on there. I tried to make sure they were all different enough so that it wasn't redundant and like every page looks the same. Like these pages, I wanted there to be some variety. And these, there's I think 2 of them in here. My Aunt Nancy made them for me, and I think they're so cute, and I was waiting for the perfect project to use them on, and this was it, because her style is very, I would say, vintagey and like not so much shabby chic, but she has an older home, and so her style, some of them are kind of hard to get back in there, but her style is very like not old-fashioned, like in a bad way, but in a very good way, like the best way possible. So I just tried to keep that in mind when making this mini album for her. Okay, so you can see I'm kind of having trouble putting these pages back in, but it's just because I don't want to spend a long time. And the, well, this one will come out. Some of them are kind of thick, and, but if you just wiggle them in there, they do go back in pretty quickly. It's just the embellishments that are on there, it gets caught on it. So I will fool with putting those back after so I don't make this video too long. That's that. And then this is the other one my Aunt Nancy made. And that's the last one. So I hope you guys are inspired to maybe make a mini album. I got this tutorial from somebody else on YouTube. I'll be sure to link that video down below. But yeah, this is the mini album I made, and the only thing I would do differently is to make a stronger base. But overall, I'm really happy with it, and yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye!